The House Bicameral Conference Committee approves the amended Motorcycle Crime Prevention Act. The new measure will no longer require motorcycles to attach two license plates. The final version of the bill also deleted the RFID stickers requirement for motorcycles. The original law was signed in 2019 by former President Rodrigo Duterte. It sought to prevent the use of motorcycles in crimes by mandating bigger or additional plates. Yeah, I remember that kasi talamak at that time yung mga riding in tandem. So nag-isip sila na paano ba mabawasan to kasi hindi nakikita. Naka-helmet.
So lagyan daw ng plaka yung helmet or lagyan ng plaka yung harap. Ang problema naman, hinaing na mga riders natin, intindihan na naman natin yun. Nasisira yung pagka-aerodynamic. Because ang motor po sa harap has to break wind. So when you break wind, yung hulma ng lahat ng motor kung makikita nyo, patulis. So that pag tumatama ang wind, wala kang resistance. Ang problema, pag may lagyan mo ng plaka yan, kahit gaano kaliit, you're forming a shield, a barrier against the wind. So yung balance ng mga rider natin
nawawalan, nasisira.
We understand that.
Tsaka sinabi din ng ibang mga riders, baka daw itong yung batas na to at that time that it was being drafted, ay sinasabi nila may discrimination.
May discrimination,
na sabi ba, porket motorcycle na, criminal na.
Well, it's totoo naman that there's an increase of crimes using a riding and tandem motorcycle.
At that time.
But it's not the solution to single out motorcycle riders. Maybe ang solution yan is police visibility. Kasi more police visibility,
CCTV cameras.
Crime deterrent kasi ang police visibility. You have more policemen on the street, baka less crimes will happen.
Saka yun nga, yung maraming mga dapat gumagana at saka yung mga efficient na CCTV.
Problema sa CCTV.
Iba minsan,
kahit may CCTV niya, wala naman takot yung mga criminal talaga gumawa. Alam nila kung may CCTV, yuko na lang ng ganyan eh.
Tsaka kasi naka-helmet sila.
Naka-helmet sila, kaya police visibility lang talaga ang pinaka-solution.
Tsaka isa pa sa mga naging dahilan din na sinasabi nila na wag na magdoble plaka kasi yung mga plaka nga na ibang sasakyan hanggang ngayon may backlog pa, hindi pa nila.
Tapos doble mo pa yung sa motor.
Wala pa. So ayusin muna nila yung mga backlog nila bago mag-require ng mga ganito. Pero eto nga, so approved na ng BICAM itong amended na Motorcycle Prevention Act.